What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today is Wednesday, January 19, 2022, and SOFI is up over 13% for the day. SOFI is rallying on the news that they have just gained approval to become a national bank within the United States. So if you don't know, SOFI is a fintech company that offers financial, checking, credit, lending, and business services to both consumers and companies. So SOFI is trying to be a hybrid between a bank and a payment service like PayPal or Venmo, and they're even getting into stock trading like Robinhood. So last year, SOFI gained a lot of momentum and it had even doubled from its current price point. So with that being said, today I wanted to look at some headlines, do some technical analysis, and see why I'm so bullish on SOFI stock. So let's get started. So if you jump over to FinViz, we do see there were a couple of headlines moving the stock higher. SOFI soars on securing approvals to become a bank. SOFI rises after regulator approves U.S. bank charter. OCC gives conditional banking license for online lender SOFI. Firm's chief executive says charter is incredible milestone. The online lending platform acquired Golden Pacific Bank as a path to getting full-fledged banking license, the regulator said in a statement on Tuesday. While the entity will have a national reach and SOFI's well-established digital lending platform, the OCC said that the new license didn't cover crypto transactions. SOFI rose to 14% or 16% gain in post-market trading on Tuesday. The stock gained 27% last year. This incredible milestone elevates our ability to help even more people get their money right and realize their ambitions, Noto, SOFI's chief executive officer, said in a statement posted on the company's website. Today's decision brings SOFI, a large fintech, inside the federal bank regulatory perimeter, where it will be subject to comprehensive supervision and the full panoply of bank regulations, Michael Su, the acting chief of the OCC, said in a statement. The company plans to contribute $750 million in capital and pursue its national digital business plan while maintaining GPB's community bank business and footprint. SOFI began to be traded on June 1st after its merger with blank check company Social Capital, head of SOFIA Holdings V. It offers home and auto loans, stock and cryptocurrency trading, and wealth management services. So if we jump back into FinViz, we do see that there were a couple of analyst upgrades made. Wedbush gave it an outperform rating and a price target of $20. Goldman initiated a neutral rating with a price target of $16. And Citigroup also initiated a buy rating and a price target of $20. And previously in October 2021, Morgan Stanley gave an overweight rating and a price target of $25. So if we look at the weekly chart, we do see since its inception, since its IPO, SOFI has been trading in this channel, and it does seem like it hit a double top here and absolute resistance at the $24 mark, and it seems to have found a floor at the $12 mark below. So this blue line running across can be seen as support, and this pink line above can be seen as resistance. So we can look at it the same way within TradingView. Here's your daily chart, and we can grab our trendline tool here. And like I mentioned, support can be found down here. That would act as support, and above we do see resistance up here. And generally speaking, SOFI has been trading in this channel and it's been oscillating up and down and bouncing off of support here, another bounce here off of support, and rejection above here, here, rejection here, and here. So with this pattern, we can assume that moving ahead, SOFI will continue this bounce and head higher as previously annotated. So in order to accurately predict where the stock could be headed next, we can draw some Fibonacci retracement zones in order to accurately plot support and resistance lines. So what you want to do is grab your Fib retracement tool here and drop your first anchor at the lowest point of the stock, which was during its IPO, and the second anchor would be dropped at the highest point of the stock posted back in 2021 here. So generally speaking, we are trading in this range up here, and that is between the 0% and the 23% retracement zone. So our next level of resistance would be here, and that is the 38% retracement zone, and that's a price target of $17.08. And if we're able to break through that, our next level of resistance would be the 50% retracement zone, and that's a price target of $19.20. $14.21. And above that, our next level of resistance would be the 61% retracement zone, and that price target of $21.34. And ultimately, to fulfill this 100% retracement, the ultimate resistance for SOFI would be the 100% retracement zone, and that is a price target of $28.25. So I do think we can get there eventually, but not in a straight line up. We are currently in a bear market, and SOFI tends to be a volatile stock with a lot of day traders. So judging by this technical pattern, I do think we are in a recovery phase for SOFI. We are oscillating up and down, and the trend seems to point upward for the coming weeks ahead. And if we zoom back in on the chart here, and we turn on our volume profile tool, we do see that the point of control for SOFI was this $14.73 dollar mark. And what that means is this is essentially a war between the bears and the bulls to regain control, and it can also act as a resistance line. So this point here would act as resistance, and anything above is considered bullish and anything below is considered bearish. And like I mentioned earlier, it looks like the trend is changing. Looking at our RSI as well down here, we did bottom out on the RSI at the 30-point mark, and our trend is changing direction and it is beginning to curl upward. So all indicators are pointing towards a trend reversal. I do advise you wait for a couple of days of green candles for confirmation of this bull run, but as it stands, I am bullish on SOFI. I do think this is a great entry point at its current price point of $13 to $14. Buying the stock today and holding can easily double your money in the next couple of months. So I am a big fan of this name. I think they have a great product, they have a great app, and they are serious competition for some of the more established banks like Bank of America or Chase. So anyway, let me know what you think about SOFI. Do you like their product? Do you like their app? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.